How to view your old Facebook stories. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can view your old Facebook stories or the stories archive. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply launch your Facebook application by tapping onto the Facebook icon. And once you are inside the Facebook application, you might see an interface like this. Now in this particular interface, you will need to click onto these three lines present at the top right corner. So simply click onto them, and once you are inside this menu, in this menu you can see this little black gear icon. So click onto this gear icon and it will lead you to the settings and privacy page. Now in this page, scroll down towards the bottom and you will see this your activity section. Now in this your activity, simply click onto the first option, that is active log. Then under the activity log, simply click onto this archive button at the first. Now inside archive, you have this option of story archive. So click onto this story archive and all of your stories that have been archived will be shown up here. Currently my story archive is empty as I did not posted any stories from this particular account. So this is why it is empty. But in your case, you might be able to see all of your stories in the archive. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.